स्कॉच विस्की बनवणाऱ्या हॉलिरूड डिस्टिलरीमध्ये आम्ही आलेलो आहोत आणि आमचा असं शॉट 5 वाजताचा होता. 10 मिनटं लेट झाले. बघूया घेतात की नाही.
So, our barley, it looks like this. Okay, for people who don't know what barley looks like. So, barley looks like this. First stage is the steeping in. Right there. We use new make. This is unaged. So, this is basically what whiskey is made from. Simply going to go on a journey, step-by-step journey to the whiskey at the end. Okay, so we're going to start off with a couple of new makes, and then we're going into a new. Yeah, just like it looks like a P80, but inside it's mixer. The hot vapor will hit a cold copper pipe and rapidly cool, condensing back into a liquid around these pipes and into our spirit safe. Okay? Does anyone know why it's called spirit safe? Ingredients of our cask, our warehouse, sorry. So, when it comes to aging, there is a few laws we need to follow. We need to go into oak barrel to evaporate. Vapor's going to get nice, hot contact, up the swan neck, over the line arm, into our condenser. Liquid. We're going to divide this one into basically the good and the bad. But we can pair these together, but if you have an aggressive yeast and non-aggressive yeast, you have experimented with coffee here. If you don't, I don't know where you've been living for the last few hundred years, or 3 years. So, cafetiere. Cafetiere, obviously you get your coffee grounds, you put water on top of them, you filter it through, you get. The further you go into that roasting process, the more you're sacrificing sugar. Okay? If you have a light flavors coming up that are very interesting. Okay? Now, what kind of flavors are we getting here, guys? We are running a wee bit late. That's fine. We're going to fire into our last.
हॉलिरूड डिस्टिलरीचं स्कॉच विस्की बनवण्याचा डेमो बघून झाला. बऱ्याच ज्ञानात भर पडली आणि सॅम्पल पिऊन पण पीक पण चांगली आलेली आहे. आता त्यांच्या स्टोअरमध्ये आम्ही इन्व्हेस्टिगेट करतो काय ते घेता येणार काय कमीत कमी बघणार काय बघूया इथे. जरा सांगू स्कॉच विस्की कशी बनवते हे बघण्यापेक्षा सरळ दुकानात जायचं, एक बॉटल घेऊन यायचं, कोचात बसायचं, मस्त 2 पॅक बनवायचे आणि इंटरनेट उघडून ती स्कॉच विस्की कशी बनवतात हे संपूर्ण माहिती तिथे अवेलेबल आहे. काहीही फॅक्टरी द्यायची गरज नाही. हा शेवटचा कन्क्लुजन मी काढलेला आहे.